As HR leaders who are sitting here, besides fostering resilience, innovation, I think we all need to blend and lead with empathy and compassion. This is a unique opportunity for all of you. We have the best of HR leaders here, right in our campus, in our courtyard. Listen to them carefully, engage passionately. Who knows, you might find your mentors here, you might find your future employer here. And I declare this conclave open now. Thank you.
The role of HR is not limited only to the corridors of managing people. Now they have a big role of, how they carry the new dynamics, the new transformation at the workplace. Now for this seminar, we are glad to inform you, we have delegates from different industries, different sectors. So let us have an insightful day, looking forward for an enriching discussion and connection.
When you become leaders, make sure things are done right. But you are all there in full numbers. That's great. It's you and AI, not AI and you. Be human and AI, not an AI. So that's one very important thing. जो सभी पैनलिस्ट, जो सब human beings ने यहाँ आके बोली कि वो जब तक ह्यूमन टच नहीं रहेगा हम एक अच्छे एचआर नहीं बन सकते.
I remember 2006-07 when Amazon had just come and Flipkart as an organization in India had started. Nobody had thought that people will buy things online. But see, after 15 years, most of the people, they are buying most of the products from these online companies. So can we predict that future? Now as we are saying that most of the HR processes are going to be replaced by the machines. Right now we are calling it AI. So HR people, they now must be ready to come or to work with the machines, not human beings in the times to come.
HR heads or HR people who are successful, they are becoming that. And of course, technology and other things that you can learn, but being a human is most important for you to succeed in your life. That's why.
Thank you very much. It has been a fantastic panel. In fact, even I have learned a lot of things. So my 2 rupees worth of opinion, there's tectonic shift happening in the industry, not only the space of HR. So this generation is ready. Only thing is you have to embrace it.
Sir, we have been discussing about this entire advent of artificial intelligence, different areas, and now, of course, in HR domain. What's your take on artificial intelligence versus human intelligence and the intervention of artificial intelligence in today's work culture?
Alright. In the same way, if you're talking about AI, that things will be in danger, jobs will be in danger, either in HR, either into production, either into any other field. I personally feel AI is just a tool to help us out. AI is just a kind of facility that is helping us out to take decisions quickly.
Okay, so as ma'am already said that I am the youngest one in my team also, and I am also here feeling the youngest. So basically my first topic is traditional to transformational, the journey of HR tech. We used to know that earlier HR used to be maintaining the manual diaries, manual responsibilities, everything has to be done by the manual, right? So now things has been changed. We all have transformed very much in terms of technology. Now we do not have the kind of files we see in the government employees. We do not have that kind of bunch of bundles that we have. And if we want to find one resume, we have to scroll at everything, right?
On the behalf of DBS Global University, I would like to thank all our dignitaries for the day. Along with them, I would like to thank our team from HR Club who have been working intensely since the morning. I would also like to thank the DC committee discipline members. I would like to thank the mass communication team for excellent capturing and photography. Along with that, I would like to thank all my dear students for maintaining so much love and patience